What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Charge It Up. For today's video with the R6, we're going to be adding signals to it because we are going to be removing the mirror slash signal combination that comes stock on the R6. Let's get to it. It's going to look awesome. Let's go. Alright, so because we are taking off the mirror and signal combination, that will actually leave the bike without any signals. And we can't have that because, you know, legal reasons, everything else. Regardless, I would end up putting in signals. The signals are going to go right here. So first step at this point is we're going to unplug the signals from the factory connectors, take off the mirrors, and then we'll go from there. Let's go. Let's get at it. And lots of that. There's the mirror signal combination. And there's that one as well. Alright, so the front of the bike looks like this now. I'm gonna clean this all up. So the bike's a little bit dirty. Obviously I've been riding, going on little trips here and there, and obviously there's bugs everywhere. So I'm actually gonna do first is I'm gonna clean this off, make sure it's nice and clean, get all the bugs out of there. There's like a couple dead bugs in here. Tools needed to add the signal onto the R6. Well, a size 1 Phillips head socket and a wrench, and that's it. Super simple. Here are the signals. New LED signals for the R6, and they will actually go right there. What? That's gonna look sick. I think that's gonna look awesome. Grab your Phillips head socket thingy-majiggy, and then it's just gonna be this bolt right here. There's the bolt. We're gonna reuse the bolt. Don't throw that away. And now we're gonna grab the signal. We'll use this one as the left one. So when we do put the signal here, because it's gonna go right over here, and we're gonna use that bolt. At least the wire comes out on this side, not on the left side. It comes out on the right side, and that way I can hide the wiring and everything in behind as once I have it bolted down and everything. So let's go ahead and do both sides. We'll do the same thing on the right side as well. Let's go. So got that plugged in. There we go. Let's turn the bike on just to see, and we got signal. There it is. That looks nice. I like that. Nice and bright. Nice bright orange signal, and you can see the orange on the back as well. Let's go ahead and do the other one. That turned out really well. With two white lines, 2 LED lights right there. And that looks nice and sleek. That looks awesome. I've also gone ahead and ran the wire right along there in the back and then hid it behind the actual wiring harness. And it comes out right there and then plugs into the signal. Take a look at the other side as well here. There's the signal. There's the wire coming out the signal, going in behind, dropping down, and then going in behind the instrument cluster where the actual signal connector is in the first place. Can't barely even see it. That looks awesome. I love the way that turned out. All right, now that we've obviously taken off the mirror and signal combination, we've added signals. Yay! And the signals look awesome. They turned out really well, and that is amazing. Sweet. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.